Hey, in this video I would like to show you a quick tip on making holes in SolidWorks. I already laid out a couple of parts for the purpose of the example. Now say we want to connect this angled sheet metal to the base plate using rivets or screws. Now let's consider the design intent in this case. We would probably want the holes to be symmetric in respect to the part. We want a certain distance from the edge, and we probably want it to be evenly spaced. Now one way to do it, and maybe the most common one, is making one hole and then make a linear pattern. This is a very easy and quick way. But if in the process of the design or even after the production we need to update the length of the part or the number of the holes, we will have to go back to the pattern and recalculate the distance accordingly. Another way to do it is by making a complex sketch inside the hole wizard. Now these sketches are very hard to update and consume a lot of time down the road. I want to show you another way which is very easy to make and update and will keep the design intent much better. I already made a simple sketch of a line where I want the pattern to be. I positioned one end of the line and made it symmetric. Now I will add one hole and connect it to the end of the line. With my new added hole selected, I go to the linear pattern, expand it, and select the curve-driven pattern. Next, all I have to do is select the line. Now I can easily select the number of holes I want without any calculations, while keeping all the design intents. I can even change the length of the part without having to go back and update the pattern. Adding or removing holes is just a couple of clicks away.